Last week, during the weekend travel, we had visited the Souk Al Marfa in Dubai. I love this place because I like shopping always, and this is one of the largest market in Dubai, located in Dubai Creek. Here you can find various shops like clothes, stationery, bags, and especially perfumes. I'm a person who likes perfume so much. This shop is so special because you can buy perfumes from this shop as he can make the perfumes you want. You can find an amazing collection of perfumes in this shop with various decorated bottles. He can make the perfumes as per our choices and he is going to make us one. Let's get into the process. You can also have a visit to this shop because I love the perfume collection here. I'll come with another video next week. Till then, sending my love. Bye bye.